Welcome, garden enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring 5 simple DIY gardening ideas to spruce up your home. Let's dig in. First up, a space-saving vertical herb garden. All you need are some mason jars, a wooden pallet, and your favorite herbs. Mount the jars on the pallet, fill with soil, and plant your herbs. Voila! Fresh herbs at your fingertips. Next, let's upcycle. Old boots, teapots, or even a wheelbarrow can become unique planters. Just add drainage holes, soil, and your favorite plants for an eco-friendly garden with character. DIY compost bin. Compost is gardening gold. Build a simple bin using wooden pallets. Layer green and brown materials, keep it moist, and turn regularly. In a few months, you'll have rich compost for your garden. Painted rock plant markers. Get creative with plant markers. Collect smooth rocks, paint them with vibrant colors, and write the names of your plants. These weatherproof markers add a pop of color to your garden. Pallet pathway. Finally, create a charming garden path using wooden pallets. Cut the pallets into sections, sand them down, and lay them out. Fill the gaps with pebbles or plant ground cover for a rustic DIY pathway. As we wrap up our DIY gardening journey, let's take a moment to revisit the creative projects we've explored today. Vertical herb garden. Transform your wall space into a lush green herb haven. Upcycled container garden. Give new life to old containers and create a unique garden display. DIY compost bin. Turn your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost for a thriving garden. Painted rock plant markers. Add a splash of color and organization with these charming markers. Pallet pathway. Craft a rustic and inviting pathway to guide you through your garden. Each of these projects brings a touch of creativity and sustainability to your garden, making it not only beautiful, but also eco-friendly. Thanks for joining us, and happy gardening!